Good morning, guys. Welcome to Cyber Monday. Gosh, everybody, including myself, we're making some purchases today. I'll show you guys our Cyber Monday sale. It is literally 83% off all of our indicators for the bundle pack. You do not want to miss that. It's in the description if you guys want to snag that right now. Give you guys a forewarning. It's all the indicators that literally predicted this move back up here. This is why we're using these, and I'm not taking them off the charts. Okay, let's go over this, guys. Have some fun today. 84 wins is where we're currently at. We've never lost a crypto trade. We have an average win rate of about 10 to 15% profit per coin. Sometimes the coins are going to be a little bit less, 3.77. This was on the last one for Ethereum, but we're currently up on Ethereum for one of the last trade calls, up about 8%. Watch that video so you understand what I mean by 8% there, because it was a past call we made, but currently the Ethereum trade is not in the profit, but a lot of us ended up getting down here at $4,000 because that's where the entry was for a lot of you guys for the buy limits. Okay, we're going to go over today for... let me go down here again. Solana. We're going to go over Solana. In the second half of this video, I'll show you guys how to get into our setup so you never have to miss taking another trade setup again, okay? Very, very fun strategy to be trading, and I think you guys are going to love it. Let's go over the trend exhaustion and the price versus the money flow indicators in the trend dashboard. Let's start up here, guys. This indicator here, all three of these, you guys get on Cyber Monday sale, 48 hours, they're going up. Great. No more selling. You guys can get those in the description. You guys want to watch this. This is how I spy on retail traders. I know this sounds silly, but it really is how we do this. What I watch for here is I watch to see if the market is dipping down and we have majority of the retail indicators here, stochastic, RSI, MACD, and moving averages. If these are red, the market's moving down, most likely people are selling. This is not where we're selling. This is actually where we're buying the market and we are riding this thing back up into the profit, okay? When we saw a lot of selling pressure into the market here, we did not end up FOMOing into this. I'm going to bring us down here now to these indicators. When we saw the price versus the money flow high, as well as the trend exhaustion pushed into the top red section here, this is how we call drops in the market. This is how we're seeing moves back down, and we are predicting these moves down because of these two indicators. This indicator right here, the price versus the money flow, is actually going to look at on-chain metrics as well as blockchain metrics of looking at real transactions happening on the blockchain and giving us historical data and looking at trend patterns to tell us when the whales are looking to sell out of positions. Literally, this is what's happening, is when you guys see money flowing into the market, when we push up to a top section here, as well as when the price structure itself, the behavior of price structure is what the trend exhaustion shows us. It's saying we don't want to go up any higher. Guys, literally, this is like calling the tops of the coins here. When you push up into the top red section here, and this is push-ups here, we're not seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, these other coins head up any further. We're seeing these drops back down. Could the market go up higher? Yes, but why is it dropping with our indicators almost every single time? It is with the accuracy of how these have been coded. Yes, we've had the COO and the CMO of TradingView.com reach out to me, and they're like looking to purchase indicators in the past business that I had. So these are very accurate. There's a lot of attention these are getting because we're able to predict moves down and moves up. Let me show you guys how I was able to, I want to say, on Friday, we did a video and the market was looking like it was more going to go up than down, and I was predicting the move back up. And we had a perfect call over here predicting with the indicators this pump up, and we got that. Let me show you guys how you could have predicted this move up. So once you guys have these indicators, you'll be able to see how to predict this into the future. I'm getting a bunch of questions about, I'm going to put marketing out there for these guys. But here's the thing. There's a bunch of these Lux algo things. I scroll through Facebook and I see a bunch of these ads. I'm not going to sit here and bash other people. That's not my personality. That's not what I do. But here's what I got to say, guys. Using a strategy like that, I believe the biggest thing they're missing is risk management, and we have really good risk management here, and we've never lost a single trade. Those are very good for moving averages, and they end up getting you guys into, they do very well in trending markets, okay? My brother's actually had the indicator, and he decided to let it go. It might be good for you. Again, I'm not bashing it. You need to check it out for yourself if you want. I know it's weird to promote someone else on my channel, but the point being is I think you guys will find these far more accurate than any other option to call moves up and down, and we are not losing any trades. So just point that out there, because I get some questions about that sometimes. All right, look at this. Money flows at the bottom, as well as the trend exhaustion is at the bottom. This is not simply just showing you guys what we think an entry or exit is. This is literally showing you guys what literal blockchain transactions are doing of long and short trades. This is showing us that money is literally moving into the market here as the price tries to dip back down, bear trapping everyone to the bottom here. And this is what I looked for. If you ever see price make a low and another low, so a low and a lower low, and you see the money flow pushing up here, this shows you and proves to you guys that money is flowing into the market behind behind the scenes, and you guys will not necessarily see this if you're using the retail indicators up here, because most likely what people are doing is they're selling because they are trading with the trend, because they've been taught the trend is their friend, and their moving averages are all bearish because price action is below the 50, 100, and 200, and they are selling. That is not what we are doing. We are always buying when the price is going down, and that's why we've been in profits and we haven't lost a trade yet, okay? That's how you guys were able to predict this. Now I'm taking a little bit longer here. Once this moves up into the top section up here, as well as when this starts moving up in the top red section like we saw over here, what am I expecting? I'm expecting to see a pullback in the market, because literally almost every single time, if not every single time, we've pushed up into the top red section here, we are seeing moves back down in the market. I'm not looking for flash crashes every time, guys. I'm looking for higher low formations and the price to stop, because that's when we get picked up on our long trades and then we get back into the market. It's very simple the way we're trading, but with indicators like these, this is how we're, like, I know I'm spending quite a bit of time on this, but like, look at every time we push in the top red section here with the trend exhaustion. The price is not wanting to go up any further. How are we able to control these crypto markets with two indicators? That's why we sell a lot of these, to be honest, guys, because this is the most accurate two pairs of indicators I've ever used. I've done crypto over 4,000 hours of trading, and there's a reason why I use these, because we have never lost a cryptocurrency trade ever. All right. So moving into the metrics now, let's go over this for Solana. 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, these are going to update, as well as our trade entries, which I'll show you guys how to get to our trade entries here in about 2 minutes here, and I'll give you guys all those, okay? It's how we're winning all of our trades. You don't want to miss that. Anxiousness is where we're currently sitting in the market for Solana. Why? Because the market's going down. But this was updated yesterday at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It is 30 minutes until 8 a.m. and you guys will actually see all of our metrics update. Very fun to look at this analysis that I'm doing and then look at the next updates, because you guys can help predict the next moves in the market. Very, very fun. So looking at this here, we saw that long trades move out of the market here, but a little bit of a long trade increase right here. If you guys, here, let me make this a little bit bigger for us. Over the last couple of days, we ended up seeing this long trade increase, and short trades increased a little bit as well, but I think what we're going to see today is probably maybe a little bit more of a long trade increase. I actually don't know what this metric's going to look like, but I want to watch that, because if long trades increase today when this metric updates, it's just going to show me that we're having more bullishness in the market. But here's the thing, I want to watch to see what happens with short trades. If short trades spike like they did over here and like they spiked over here, this was actually a precursor to some very nice drops back down in the market when short trades increased. So I watch this metric strongly, because if short trades shoot up here, this could mean we could be dropping back down. So watch that, okay? Looking at the long for short trade risk, we are still sitting favorably for long trades, and the risk is lying on short trades, in my opinion. Taking a short trade is where the risk lies. The favor is on the side of long trades, okay? Looking at the well and institutional smart money down here, we can see what the wells are doing. They are clearly buying this up. What happened when we shot up here and the retail traders were getting excited and greedy up here? Greedy, guys, you guys see this? Greedy and excited? Follow me straight down. Where's that price structure? That price structure is right here. Wells and institutions were shorting out the entire market, making a ridiculous amount of money on this move back down. What happened when retail traders are very anxious and fearful? Well, they ended up buying in the market and they shot the price back up. I'm talking about wells and institutions. Us, we are trading on this channel with this indicator. I coded this indicator, pulling in the data that I feel like is best to show us what wells and institutions are doing, and we are trading with them. We are buying on the dip, and that's why we're probably going to be into the trades in profit here for 2 to 3 coins. And I wouldn't doubt if we get a nice bull run in here, we'll probably get close to about maybe 87 for 87 wins before the end of this month is even over, okay? What my point being, long trades are being acquired by wells and institutions and smart money, which is exactly what we're doing. And that's what I want you guys to be focusing on today, setting up your buy limits to get into these trades. Okay. All right. Move back down. We're obviously looking at this 82 point, but where's the next strongest resistance? I think it's at this level over here. We've got 1 level, 2 levels, 3 levels, 4 levels here. It's right around the psychological level of $225. Okay. It is a quarters theory level as well. This is where we're looking right here. You guys can see these structures, a lot of the structures right here that we're seeing. If we want to just draw like a huge box in here, we could do something like this to make it kind of fun real quick. And we can do something like this and just draw like a box around this. This is where I'm looking at the strongest resistance being. So if we start moving up here with this structure here into this area, I'm probably going to look to call a 50% exit around this for about 5%, move our stop loss to break even in the Telegram channel, and then we'll just keep moving the stop loss up if we just keep going up higher and higher. Lock in profits as well as moving our stop loss to break even to guarantee ourselves a win, and then also let ourselves ride this up as high as we want to go. Guys, this is the best way to trade crypto, period. Hopefully you guys are understanding this. All right, real quick, let's go over this and let's get you guys into some trades here. Dollar cost average entries, if you guys have $1,000, $10,000, doesn't matter. You guys want to throw money into the market every time you get a green line. This is a great signal for that. You guys are doing great here. All of these trades over here in the profit now of this morning. This is the only one that isn't. Holding for 5 to 10 years is a great move for those of you guys who are diamond hand holders, okay? Exit points in here. This is showing us that, hey, we're looking for an exit move in the market for long trades because we're expecting to move back down. Not every time we're going to get a drop in the market, although this has been fairly accurate. What I'm using this for is to exit long trades 25 to 50% when we get into the profit to help give us exits. All right, guys, ready for the fun part of this video? Let's just dive right in. Here's how you guys sign up for our membership. Literally, you guys want to sign up today for this because I am going to be looking to up the price of this in Q1 of next year, $49 a month. You guys will be able to get grandfathered into all of this. That's going to give you access to all of the metrics I just showed you for all of the 10 coins, as well as the live trade setups, as well as access into the Telegram channel where you guys get me as a one-on-one coach where I call exits. Every single one of our 84 wins that we have ever taken have all been called out on this single page right here under the live trades. You guys need to sign up for your membership. That will give you access to every single one of our pages. Follow me here as I go through this because I'm showing you guys how to do this. You'll click into Solana this morning to look at all the Solana buy limits that are ready for you guys. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to use Bitcoin for an example because I want to keep it private for paying members. In 25 minutes, all of the entire website, guys, literally, it's the only website I know like this. In 25 minutes, 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the entire website updates, all of the metrics, all of the live trades update. Now, if the lines don't update here, it's simply because we're waiting for us to get into the first buy limit. But here's how you guys trade this, and you want to follow along with me. All you're going to do is use our buy limits here, and let's say you have $1,000 you want to trade with, or $4,000, doesn't matter, you guys pick. Take your trade allocation and split it into 4 equal portions, 25%. If it's $1,000, 4 equal portions is $250. You're going to place $250 at this buy limit and price, this buy limit and price, buy limit and price, buy limit and price, okay? Very clear. You guys can't miss this. It's in like neon yellow. Once your first buy limit is hit, you guys are going to then set up your sell limit at the green line up here that says sell limit, okay? Very simple. Here's the instructions right here. This will update in say 11:29 when today's metrics update. It's hard coded in, so it cannot be faked in here. Literally, it's coded into the exchange, actually, this tag right here, okay? This tag is to give you guys a place to go to so you know for sure if the buy limits have updated. Once it says 11:29, those are the official buy limits for 11:29. I cannot fake this. Nobody on the team can fake this. This is literally hard-coded into the time clock on the exchange. So when this says 11:29, that's how you know for sure all the buy limits have been updated. What you guys want to do after you set up your buy limits is come down here and set up the Telegram channel to follow me so you guys can get profitable exits. Sign up for Telegram on your phone or your computer first, and then click here. That will give you guys access into the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits here with the indicators, okay? You guys want to get over here and set these up because I do think we could hit a bull run before the end of the year. Here is the Cyber Monday Black Friday sale that literally you guys have 48 hours left and the prices are going up here. You guys are going to get 83, not 20, not 35, not 50, literally 83% off our entire bundle pack of indicators, and this will not be lower than this price again. I may come out and do like a Christmas special because I love Christmas. I may drop it back down to this price for you guys, but you guys will not be able to get it lower than this price ever. Like into the future, you'll never get it lower than this. If anything, the bundle pack is going to go up in price as the months and years to come because it's worth far more than what I'm charging you guys. At the end of this month, I'm not trying to be arrogant. It just really is the truth. Look at the profits that people are making. The guy made $20,000 with our trend exhaustion and our price versus money flow indicators and did this in stocks and crypto. $20,000, and literally the price of our bundle pack is ridiculously cheap. Okay, what you guys want to do today is click this link right here. When you guys click this, you guys will go to a page, and on checkout, you will simply enter the code Black Friday. Capitalize the B, the F, lowercase, capitalize everything. I don't care. I made it sure everything works. Black Friday is the coupon code that you guys want to enter in. At the end of the month, literally in 48 hours, this is going to increase $50. What you guys want to do is at minimum, if you don't want the bundle pack, that's fine. But literally, you want to get the price for swell money flow, the trend dashboard, and the trend exhaustion indicators in here to copy my charts, call the tops and bottoms, the pumps before they happen, as well as the exit. There's a reason why we haven't ever lost a trade, guys. It is because of the indicators, the risk management, as well as the metrics, okay? So getting these 3 indicators, a few bucks more, you guys literally will get the bundle pack here, and you guys will get 6 more indicators on top of the 3 that you want anyways. So it really is the best deal you guys will ever have, and I'll send you guys out an email for 48-hour notice and a 24-hour notice in case you guys miss it here, but don't miss this. Just get them. You guys will not regret it. All right, guys, watch Solana here as it moves back up in the top red section. We could be hitting this basically an ascending resistance line where we've already hit and a move back down. We could be seeing Solana drop back down here, but what we are seeing here is this divergence pattern where we end up seeing a low, another lower low, perfectly calling the move back up with these indicators. So if we move back down and the trend exhaustion moves to the bottom red section and the price for swell money flow moves down here, what am I expecting? What should you guys expect? The second pump back up here, which could be the higher low formation. The low, the high to another higher low formation, and then a pump move back up here could be evident for this week. That is what I'm watching, guys, and I wouldn't doubt because of this bull market, pushing back in here, we could be seeing ourselves taking profit here on Solana this week, pushing us to 85 to 86 to 87 to 88 possible winning trades by the end of this month. Make sure you guys are setting up your buy limits for all of your trades that I just showed you over here. Make sure you guys get the indicators on Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale. You have 48 hours left, and your membership will be going up in price, but you will be grandfathered in, and you guys will stay at $49 a month as the prices go up, because I promise you guys I will grandfather you in. So God bless you guys so much. Have an amazing day. I will keep coming out with videos this week. Let's keep trading these markets, guys. Get in here, set your indicators up, set your buy limits up. Join me in the Telegram channel where I'm calling exits and giving you guys these updates over Telegram, the YouTube videos as well as market updates. This is where you guys can start trading and feeling confident again, and you guys will most likely be the ones joining over here on this channel, and you'll become a testimonial over here of how you're doing in the market, because it's been pretty crazy. How about this guy real quick? We'll end with this one. This guy has done 6 weeks. He's done 25 for 25 winning trades using the system. All longs, no leverage. I'm a huge fan. He's up about 50% in his portfolio. Okay, this is what people are doing. 20,000, you guys already know this with 2 indicators. This guy did $1,710 in the last 10 days up on VET. Incredible. He's like, I'm no longer trading with anxiousness or fear. I'm feeling safe. That's what I'm teaching you guys on this channel, is how to feel safe and get into trades where you're not having to worry about losing your money. I put $50,000 in here because I trust the system that I'm trading, and we were down to about 48,000 and some change in here. We've grown this account back up here. Like 50,000 is where the break even is for this account, so you guys know. In a bear market cycle, we're literally down about $135 here. Like, we aren't down anything, guys. We're doing so good, and the market's been crashing. So as the market's been going down, we've been secretly picking up positions all the way down in the market. So as this thing moves up, this balance is going to head up so much faster because we've had second and third buy limits get hit. So as the market goes up, this is going to start moving up pretty fast, like hundreds of dollars a day we're going to be making in profit, obviously for my channel and those of you guys who are trading. So get this indicator set up. I'm sorry it's a long video. Get the indicator set up, get your buy limit set up, follow me on this channel and on the Telegram channel, and I'm just going to keep rolling into next year, and we're going to do this for the years to come. So much fun trading this. God bless you guys again. Get everything set up you need. Let's make some money, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.